So we're back in Lima, in Miraflores. So we're gonna stay here for 2 weeks until we fly to Bolivia. So I'm going to do a room tour of this new condo that we've rented, and let's start with this toilet room here. So this is a toilet room. Look at that, it's all mirrored. I'm so in love with it. And it is so nice as well. Look at that. Right, so there's the mirror, sink, and the toilet. So nice, right? And then here, we have Lovey! What are you doing there?
I wanted to be out of I was trying to be out of your video, but I guess not. Go do your video.
Come here! Get out of the washing, the laundry area. Okay, so this one is the laundry area. So yeah, I'm so happy to have washing machine because I hate going to laundry shops or whatever. Like I prefer washing my own clothes. So yeah, so we have here some cleaning stuff. Good thing. And then yeah, some again. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this one. And the living room. Television. Right? It's so amazing. We have plants here. Yeah, that's the living room. And then this is the kitchen. I think it's good that this is already connected here. Like the kitchen table in here. Alright, so here's where you can cook. The oven is there. So this is the kitchen table. And let's see. So yeah, the cups are here. For baking or whatever. Okay, the plate is here. What do we have here? Nothing. Okay. This one here. Oh. So the glasses. Where are the utensils? See? Oh, here it is. Nice. What do we have here? Ooh. Cool. We're back here. Boy, okay. The cooking utensils. What is this? I don't know. Coffee maker. Ooh, lovely, they have a coffee maker.
Nice. You're my coffee maker.
Let's buy a coffee for this coffee maker so we're not gonna go to the Starbucks anymore. Ooh, fridge. Nice. That's so cool. Let's go to the bedroom. Ooh. So nice, right? What is this? Oh, fan. Okay. So the view here. That is so nice. This is so cool. And the light, look at this. Right? Let's try. Ooh. Fancy. So I have cabinets for clothes, which I don't usually use. towels are here. We also have the iron. What do we have here? One other fan, I guess. And this is the shower area. So again, they have toilet and the shower. It's cute. It's just simple, but it's good. So now what do we have here? Ooh, they have blower. Oh, I think I need to own a blower. Let's just go home. So yeah, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to post the B&B link in the description so you can find it on Airbnb, and if ever you will travel to Lima, you could rent it. Bye!